Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to talk about another candlesticks pattern, that how it became a profitable trade or how it gives a profitable trade. So that I'm going to discuss here. And the last video we did with the doji candle, so that was a great response from you, and I got a more subscribers, around 3,500 people we are reaching now. I was thankful to you all. Because of you only, it gives me a lot of encouragement to do more on YouTube. And if you are a new, just subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to talk about the candlesticks pattern that we have already created. piercing line piercing line candlesticks pattern, so that I'm going to discuss here. And what is the candlesticks pattern here, that piercing line? Let's google it. And now look at, this is the piercing line candlesticks pattern, where the two candlesticks reversal pattern. There is a trend reversal and effective, and where you see the first candle should be red and second candle should be green, and both candles are big, and these are the conditions, right? The piercing line candlesticks, where it is forms at any point of the time, even if it is a forms at the lowest level of the market, there is a big reversal. Okay, so this candlesticks pattern we are focusing for a reversal kind of trade, not a continuation. So we have a continuation candlesticks pattern too, but here what we are focusing it out, there is a trend reversal. The market is keep on moving down, right? The previous trend should be down. Whenever we find this kind of pattern, there is a possibility to reversal, and also we try to buy at lower level of the market. That is the concept which we have created. And the scanner in our charting that I have updated on my Telegram channel too, and there you can make use of it free of cost. If you want to find out my Telegram link, so just go through the description of this video. You will find out to join that channel and get more benefited from these indicators. It's not an indicator, it is a scanner. Okay, and this time I'm going to take a piercing line. So let's go to take the 1st of the September, how many stocks we got it. So we already discussed about the doji candle, which is PVR, which forms on the 1st of this month. That was working very perfect and well. That gives you huge profit. And now I'm going to take the candlesticks pattern. This is a piercing line, that is bullish candlesticks pattern. So on the 1st September, we find out there is a stock which is Hindu Hotel. That was I updated on my test channel. So this is happening by 1st September. Okay. So using this candlesticks pattern, how the market moves, because we are going to backtest the strategy, or we are planning how it became the profitable trade. But so some people asking you how accuracy, the strategy itself having its own accuracy, how you are using, so hedging basis or naked or future or option, so that is depend on you. But the scanner will find out the right stock at the right time. So that is what important. So instead of a 200 future stock is there, so there we are finding out based on the candlesticks pattern. I have a lot of comment, so you are providing n number of candlesticks pattern, how we can use. So you can try it out and test it out, which is suitable to you and which gives you more accuracy. Just you can follow any one or two scanners, that is even good enough, right? But I'm not telling you to use all the scanners. So you check all the scanners which is convenient and which is suitable to you, you can use it, right? But each and everyone who do trading is not same for all. Some people who do trying to buy a OTM option, some are they are doing with the future, some are they are doing with the equity. So whichever it's suitable to you, you can use. That is why I made a mini scanner here. So you're someone asking you only one scanner is good enough to make. It's not like that. So if you have any one system which is suitable for all market kind of condition, no, because the market is dynamic. At each and every day it is looking at different. Correct. So that is why we have created a lot more scanners. Some scanners may be useful in a range bound market. Some scanner may be useful in a trending market. So that is the idea. We are making more scanner. So if you wish, so you can take any one of. So the first one which forms Hindu Hotel. Let's try to do that in hotel. Let's see what happened on the Hindu Hotel candlesticks pattern on first of this one. Yes, the candlesticks which forms perfect. This stock was filtered and I have updated on the day itself, right? There is an opportunity. Should you get that? So here the first one is red and second one is green and closed above this previous candle. There is a pattern where we got the confirmation. Whenever it breaks the high, we are going to buy. And there is a low as a stop loss. Till now, it never triggers your stop loss. Again, the same kind of pattern which forms here, but the risk is very big. Okay, if you know that, again there is the same candlesticks pattern. This is what is piercing line, where we are finding out the candlesticks pattern in this particular stock, the one and second and the third. So there is a lot of opportunity on this stock that was giving you such a great opportunity. So now, what is my risk reward ratio? Let's try to do that, and how much it is giving you the risk and reward. So this is this low and this high should be your entry point. 148.3 and 139 should be your a stop loss. So where there is a 148.3 is your entry point whenever it breaks the high of these two candles, and the low of these two candles should be your stop loss. So almost it near about somewhere around 8-9 point as our stop loss. So instead of taking a future, you can if you want to take that much of risk in future, you can try to take, or you can take with options. Let's try to do that. What happened in the options on this day? That is the next day of the 1st September. The 2nd September we got a entry opportunity, correct? So if I got an entry opportunity at 2nd September, if I'm going to open the NSE India website, so let's say what will, if I'm finding out the options, or we will open the direct option charts. How the system is working, good or bad, that I'm going to discuss here, right? So this stock Hindu Hotel 150 call option, if I'm taking on 3rd September, Hindu Hotel 150 call option, if I'm taking a 3rd September, you see that after 3 days it is going down, and 4th day after that only it started moving up. So the risk which is involved in the trade, that is full of the amount premium which we are paying. So where we got an entry opportunity, that this is the 1 hour chart, we have 1st 2nd September we got a trade opportunity. I think this one. 2nd September we got around 6.4. After that it was trading 2.5. So if you are ready to take that risk, 6 rupees, where we are going to take the 6 rupees risk, and after that it comes to 2 rupees, almost it went down almost 50-60%. But from that low it started recovering to somewhere around 20 plus, almost 3 times return it gives you. So those who are having the patience in the market, they are going to get that much of profit. Even after that it moves to 34, almost 5 times return. The stocks were scanned and sent it to on my Telegram channel with free of cost. Those who are ready to take this, so you can focus, but I'm not suggesting you to all you can focus, but you just practice manually, then you will find out which should be the best strategy and which you are going to follow as per your convenience. I'm not suggesting it to you to do all the strategies, right? So Hindu Hotel, the only one stock is generating such a great profit. Let's try to do that. What is the lot size of the stock? The lot size of the stock should be 3,900. How much it is giving your investment? When I'm taking the 6 rupees, that is what a 3,900. My risk is 23,000, which I'm taking the risk in this particular stock where it is moving 35. So most of the people are not waiting up to this 35, and we cannot able to exit at the exact high point. But there is a profitability. 35 minus 6, almost 329 point. That is around 1,13,000 rupees. There is a profitability. Even we can make 10,000 or 5,000 or 20,000, even a 40,000, 50,000. There is a profit potential. But after our entry point, that drawdown almost 60-70% of your investment. So those who are waited patiently, there is a giving you money. And second opportunity which happened on the same price of 150, that is 8th September. There is another opportunity 8th September. 8th September, what is the price of that particular option? somewhere around here it's a 8th 9 September, so maybe 8th September closing price I taken, that is again 5 rupees. You are following this pattern at 8th September, you got an entry on 9th September. 9th September it is around maybe closing is 6.6, again the same entry point on the day where we have taken second, same entry point of 6 rupees, 6.6, and the same opportunity which is present. And again the stock which is here breakout, but while 69 your stop loss would be 47, almost 20 point stop loss, 20 plus point. That is not a good deal, because big stop loss not always better in a trade, right? So we may believe, but if you are playing with the options, we will try to take 170 call option that was triggered by 27th September. Let's say 170 call option, your tail 170 call option, that I'm going to track on this day, because this high was broken by after 22nd September. We are taking 22nd September of this closing price, we will take, that is around somewhere around 7.3, and the next day it moves to 17, and still it is 10 rupees. Still there is opportunity. Hope you got it. So what we are discussing here, there is a good opportunity where we are mentioning on our Telegram. So again the next day 2nd September, where we see any stocks which forms kind of pattern pacing line, IndiaMart and Reliance, that was happening by 2nd September. Hope you got it. 2nd September IndiaMart and then Reliance. Let's go for a Reliance, that is happening by 2nd September. Here the Reliance, there is an opportunity on Reliance at 2nd September, where there is a point, this is what the entry point, 2300 to 2255, and now the market is somewhere 2480. If I am taking that 2300 call on the next day itself, by opening itself 2nd September, it's a formation of the candle, where I am going to take the entry by 3rd September. Reliance 2300, I'm going to enter by 3rd September. What is the price of the 3rd September? Think here, opening itself 68, same day went up to 196. C8 to 196, almost double from, this is the opening 3rd September, and it moves towards 196. Still it was trading 181, almost double, even a triple. Hope you got it. The method where I am posting on my Telegram channel, it is good available information, right? Make use of that information. And IndiaMart, I think that was working well, because the stock is moves very big. 2nd September, after that broken, next day it broken from 8100, 8179, the high 8199. So let's try with 8200 call, right? The amount 8200 call. I'm mostly playing with options, that's why I'm always focusing the option trades. The amount where we got an entry opportunity on 3rd September. 3rd September, what should be the price? At the closing price itself, then initially if you are taken entry 357, the day ended with 300, but next 2 days it went up to 900, even it moves to 1000 plus, almost double. Hope you got it what I'm discussing with you. And after that, next day 3rd September, I will go for I think 3rd September is the holiday, I think 6th September, correct? Piercing line, dark cloud, tilted bottom, we don't get any opportunity on the day. And then 8th September, hammer, we don't get it. We move for that. No. After any stocks, which one? No. 14th September. We are in 14th September. See any stock which forms that kind of pattern. Here, lot more stock on. Here you see that 15th September we find out lot of stocks which forms the kind of pattern. On 15th September, separating line. So IDFC, RBL, Titan, Biocon, HDFC, Eicher Motor. Let's see, on 15th September, if you are after 15th September, you may avoid the option buying because the time will elapse. Whereas the 15th September, sorry, this was happening by 14th September, and we are going to follow from 15th September. IDFC Bank, 15th September, high is broken from 48.6 and went up to 51. So very less value stocks we avoid. And then we are going to take RBL and Titan. Titan on 15th September, 14th September, next day broken from 2063 went up to 2151, almost 100 points. Sure, you are going to get such a great money in options. And then Biocon, RBL Bank, somewhere here. Next day it moves higher than that. Initially it moves well. After that it triggers your stop loss. But again it moves, and there is a hammer candle pattern that was giving you such a great opportunity. And Biocon, Eicher Motor, lot of stocks. I hope you understand what I'm discussing with you here. On 14th, next day it broke on the Biocon 356 and went up to 394. Everywhere there is an opportunity where we are going to find out that opportunity or not. Daily morning 6 o'clock, 6 to 6:30 I am updating everyday's trade here. So there is an opportunity to make money. Hope you understand what I am discussing here. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you liked it, you can share to your friends. And if you have any other questions, just comment on that comment box. We'll read our comments, and if any video necessary, I will make for that. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.